are about to travel again this weekend. But first, I'm doing a challenge of carrying this backpack from BAGSMART for our 4-day weekend that we are going to a family vacation. But the challenge is I got this backpack which is very super light, and I just love the design, the way they are color blocking their colors, and they have multiple colors even on their website. Main thing I want to see is, why do I always have to carry a carry-on bag if I can fit everything in a personal item? It's a 20-liter but only weighs 426 grams. But it has these compartments that I'll be able to put everything, and it has multiple compartments on the front as well, where you can put your phone or your wallet just to easily access it. If you need a water bottle, you can have your water bottle. So I'll be having this in my trip. And you can also hang some stuff here. I'm not doing a long travel distance right now, so I'm not gonna hang anything, but I just want to see whether everything will fit. And I'll be using this everywhere. Next weekend, we are actually going for hiking, and I'm throwing in something very nice. I'll also be doing some picnic for Tyler. He won't know. I'll be like packing this bag without him knowing, and then I'll be doing some picnic stuff. So you can like use this a lot of things that you're doing on a day-to-day. I've seen people going to school use this, and we'll have any details if they have any offers. You can check their website. But first, let's go ahead and pack this and make sure everything fits. So it's all done. I can't believe how it just fits everything here. I've put like 3 swimming suits. I've put a cover up because we're going to the beach. I've put like 2 shorts, 3 tops. I have a sunny dress as well. I've put like shoes, makeup, and also understuff and socks, things like that, and even something to sleep on. I put everything. Look at how it fits so nicely, and it still has a lot of space. I just hung this here, my headphones, but they have multiple hanger stuff they have. I had not even seen this before, but it has some keychains, stuff you can hang more items. So let me show you how it fits, and then we'll later meet at the airport. Let me show you how this fits. So I'm 5'4", and this is how it fits. Actually, I could remove this. This is how it fits with my height, and this is how it looks when I'm carrying it. It's actually really nice. I like it. We'll link all the details down below. But yeah, so see you guys at the airport. We are at the airport right now. I bit the bullet, and I'm only carrying this for 4 days. I'm so amazed, but I want to quickly, our check-in is all the way down, but I want to check whether this bag is a personal item, because if it's not, the airline that we are using will have to pay for a carry-on, and we don't want that. So we'll find some sizing chart, and then we'll try it. Come with me. Moment of truth. All right, so that's the personal item. I want it to be a personal item. And then carry on. Oh, nice. It fits so nicely. Oh, that is amazing. Personal item, if I do this, look at that. I'm good to go. So it should be able to fit under the seats. So yeah, so if you want such a bag, try them. We'll have their link down below. It's BAGSMART. Multiple colors and pretty design, very lightweight, and I really like it. Seriously, let's go check in actually. It's another day, and today we are going hiking. The weather has been so good this weekend, so we are going hiking right now, and we'll also be doing a small picnic once we get to the top of our hike. But first, I went to the store to get some stuff to cook, and then I just showered, but they're already done cooking. So I want to pack everything. And guess what I'm using, or what I'll be carrying to my hike today? This bag from BAGSMART. So let's pack real quick and then leave. Super excited. We are doing a hike today. Timing is perfect, and this has been my favorite bag so far. Like, no kidding. I'm super excited. We are going to be doing picnic as well. So that's our picnic thing. And it's just lightweight because we are able to hike with it. And then we have these rolls I already made. I'll insert some videos. I'm carrying this as well. I should probably put that all the way to the end. That's some vegetables. And then a fruit tray. Let me put that under and then this on top. And then that's all food. And then these other small items I'll just put somewhere I can grab them. Because we have some bug spray. We have some pojos as well. And then it's still like perfect. That's really perfect. I need to add water here, so let me grab water as well. So we are carrying 3 waters, so 2 of them just gonna be here. We are not hiking too much. We're doing 4 miles today, so we just miss hiking a lot. And then I love this thing. We go from my running club, and now I use it for camping a lot because you just clip it and you don't have to waste space. Oh, this is it. This is what I was looking for. Yeah, let me just put it this side. Our speaker, and then good to go. We just go here, and I'm super excited. I actually want to eat. So we're gonna probably hike a bit and then eat, and then we continue hiking so that we can loosen the food, have some walking in there. But let's get it. You excited, babe?
Absolutely.
Yay. Let's get it. Just started the hike. Beautiful weather. This is the only reason I came. Beautiful weather. So I'm super happy that we came today. And it's not gonna rain. Just gonna have fun.
Exactly.
Yeah. I've realized with this bag is it's very comfortable. It has some sponge on this, so you're not feeling strained, because the hiking, as you can see, it's not easy. We actually checked when we were coming in and it was strenuous. I'm like, I don't know whether I signed up for strenuous, but well, we're here now. We've already done 1.2 miles already, and very comfortable. I highly recommend if you're looking for a backpack that you can use anytime, lifestyle backpack. You can camp with it, you can hike with it, you can go to the beach with it, you can go to school with it, to work, travel. Highly recommend. So I love it, love it, love it. Very comfortable. That's one of the things, especially from this hiking, that I've seen. But, well, we have 2 more miles to go, so let's do